Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English podcast with Mandy and Mark. I'm Mandy, and as always, I'm thrilled to be here with you all.
And hi, everyone. I'm Mark. We're so glad you've joined us for another fun episode where we make learning English easy and enjoyable.
Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to many people's hearts: sports. We'll be chatting about our favorite sports, why we love them, and some basic vocabulary you can use to talk about sports too.
Make sure to stick around till the end, where we'll have some fun exercises for you to practice. And don't forget to leave your answers in the comments below. We love hearing from you.
So, Mark, are you a big sports fan? I know lots of people are, especially this time of year with so many games happening.
I am. I wouldn't say I'm a diehard fan who follows every league, but I love watching certain sports. It's so exciting to see talented athletes doing amazing things.
I agree. I think it's inspiring to watch people who are at the top of their game. What would you say is your absolute favorite sport to watch?
That's a tough one. I really enjoy basketball. The speed, the skill, the teamwork, it's all so impressive. How about you, Mandy? What gets you cheering?
I love watching gymnastics. The strength and flexibility those athletes have is incredible. It feels like they're defying gravity sometimes.
Oh, gymnastics is amazing. I could never imagine doing those flips and twists. Do you do any sports yourself?
I enjoy swimming. It's relaxing and a good workout. I'm not very good at team sports, but swimming is something I can do at my own pace.
Swimming is great exercise. I like to play soccer with friends sometimes. It's a fun way to be active and socialize at the same time.
That sounds fun. I think it's great to find a sport you enjoy, whether it's playing it or watching it. It can be a great way to make friends too.
Definitely. What about you, Mandy? Do you have any favorite sports memories?
One of my favorite sports memories is watching the Olympics with my family. We always have so much fun cheering for our country and marveling at the athletes.
That sounds like a great tradition. I have fond memories of playing basketball with my friends in school. Even though we weren't very good, we always had a blast.
It's those shared experiences that make sports so special, I think. Whether you're a serious athlete or just enjoy watching casually, it brings people together.
Absolutely. Sports can teach you valuable lessons about teamwork, perseverance, and pushing yourself beyond your limits. Plus, it's just plain fun.
So true. Do you think it's important for young people to participate in sports?
I do. I think it teaches them valuable life skills and can help build confidence. It's also a great way to stay healthy and active.
I completely agree. Well, this has been a fun chat about sports. Maybe we'll have to challenge each other to a game sometime.
You're on, but go easy on me. I'm a little out of practice.
Haha, no promises. All right, let's move on to some vocabulary. All right, everyone, get your notebooks ready. It's time to learn some new words about sports. Mark, why don't you start us off with the first word?
The first word is team. A team is a group of people that play a sport together. For example, in basketball, you have a team of 5 players on the court at once working together to win.
Next up, we have athlete. An athlete is a person who is good at sports or physical activities. They are usually very strong and skilled, like the gymnasts I mentioned earlier.
The third word is game. Game can refer to a specific match or contest within a sport. For instance, you can say, I watched a basketball game last night, meaning you watched 2 teams play against each other.
Next, we have the word play, which is a very versatile word. You play a sport or a game. You can also play a musical instrument, so this word has many uses.
Our fifth word is win. To win means to be successful in a game or competition. It's the opposite of lose. For example, my favorite team won the championship.
And speaking of opposites, our next word is lose, which, as Mark just said, means to not win a game or a competition. It's perfectly normal to lose sometimes, and everyone does, even the best athletes.
Word number 7 is score. The score tells you how many points each team or player has in a game. You might ask, what's the score? During a game if you want to know who is winning.
Next, we have cheer. To cheer means to shout loudly in support of a team or player. People often cheer at sporting events to show their enthusiasm and support.
Word number 9 is fan. A fan is someone who really likes a particular sport, team, or player. For example, I'm a big fan of basketball means you really enjoy watching or playing basketball.
Our 10th word is stadium, which is a large outdoor arena or building for sports and other events. You often see big stadiums built for soccer matches or Olympic Games.
And last but not least, we have practice. To practice means to do something repeatedly to improve your skills. Athletes practice to get better at their sport.
Great vocabulary, Mark. Remember, everyone, it's important to keep practicing these words so you can use them confidently. Okay, everyone, time to test your knowledge. We have some questions based on our conversation. Don't worry, they're not too tricky. Share your answers in the comments below. Ready, Mark?
Absolutely. First question. What sport does Mandy enjoy watching?
All right, next question. What does Mark like to play with his friends?
Here's another one. What sport does Mandy like to do for exercise?
Great questions, Mark. And here's one more. Why do you think it's good for young people to play sports? There are many possible answers to this one, so let us know your thoughts. That was a lot of fun talking about sports today. We hope you learned some new words and had fun practicing your English with us.
Remember, even if you're just starting out, every little bit of practice helps. Don't be afraid to use the new words you've learned with your friends or classmates.
Exactly. The more you use English, the more confident you'll become. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to the English podcast with Mandy and Mark. We hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content. And don't forget to leave a comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the episode and any suggestions you might have. See you next time.